welcome to my channel. This is the second part to the Born Pretty plate review. This is Born Pretty plate number 58. In the other one, I did some swatches. This one I'm going to do a nail design and see how it comes out. I purchased this plate with a discount from them, from their Amazon store. It shipped to me in about a week and a half, which is super quick, I think. They have a whole bunch of items on Amazon.com, and I would check them out. I get a lot of plates through them, and I've gotten jewels, and now some eyelashes as well. I have another plate to do a review on, and that will be after this one in a few days. So please watch this one. Thumbs up if you like, and enjoy. So for the first part, on the pink nails, I'm going to do polka dots with the dark gray that I have on my other nails, which is OPI, and it's coal-ition. I think I'm saying that right. Strong coal-ition. And the pink nails is Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel, and that's Malibu Peach. And I have about 2 coats of that one. The gray is really dark, so that one's 1 coat, and I like that one. Right here I have 3 spots of clear because I'm going to do some decals for one of my nails, and then some stamping on the other one. So I'm going to get everything ready and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm getting the OPI's strong coal-ition, and I need to make some polka dots. So I grabbed the dotting tool, or you can use a bobby pin or a toothpick or whatever you have laying around. And you just dip it in and then make some dots on your nails. I don't ever make them perfect. I'm horrible at dots. I have a few stamping plates that does polka dots that I like using because it makes them look perfect. But this one I like when it's just random, and if you keep doing it, there'll be different sizes. And then on this finger, your ring finger as well. My Mundo de Unas in aqua, and the Born Pretty plate 58, and I'm also using the Born Pretty clear stamper. So I'm going to let my nails dry, and I will be right back to stamp. do the nail decals, and this one, and this one all have whoop, hold on. They all have a clear coat down, and I let it dry. And now I'm gonna do some feathers. I'm gonna do this one and color it in. I'm gonna do it in white, Mundo de Unas, and then we stamp it on there and color it in with some nail polish. And scrape it, pick up the image, and just stamp it on, and then repeat it for the other ones. And just wiping off the extra on the scraper. And now, same thing, push it down on the clear coat. And again, wiping it off. You don't have to wipe it off. I do, just because it always has extra on there. Or you could use the extra. Sometimes I do that. And pick up. And this one got some extra. There we go. And stamp that one. Okay. And then I'm gonna pause the video and get the polishes opened to color it in. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the polishes open, and I'm just using some Mundo de Unas in the aqua, and I'm using the Sally Hansen's Malibu peach that I have on my nails. And then I have a small dotting tool, and this one I'm going to color in the aqua color, and I just get it and I fill it in. And this one I only have to do one little coat because it's stamping polish and it's super thick. Well, a lot of nail polishes are thick also, but this one I might do 2 of the peach depending on what I feel that it looks like. And we just keep filling them in. And if you are going to do another coat, then you have to make sure that they are dry. I think I'm going to do, let's see, this one. I'll do some of it blue or aqua. And then some of it the peach color. Kind of hard to see on camera because of the top coat that I have down makes it kind of shiny. Okay, so now these need to dry before you put a top coat on. So I'm gonna let these dry and I will be right back. Okay, I figured while those are drying I can do this stamping on my other hand, and I'm gonna stamp with white on my pinky nail and maybe my pointer nail. I'm not really sure yet, but scrape it, pick it up, put your pinky, and stamp like that. And I think I'm gonna do my pointer finger. So just apply some more polish and scrape. Oh, and see there's extra, so I'm just gonna clean it with the lint roller. Pick up your image, position, and press down. There we go. And I think I'm gonna try to do, I think I'm gonna try and do some pink over it, but I know it's really, really thin.